We believe this video can be used as an educational and informational guide for viewers to review and evaluate situations to avoid any future incidents or mishaps. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind. Enjoy the video.
The Eastall woman remains unsolved. Sometimes when you're a spy, you gotta die. That comes with the job description.
I guess so.
You don't sign up to be a spy tenured.
Day one, you sit down in spy class, the professor says, look to your left, look to your right. One of these people is going to set you on fire someday.
That's what spies do. This week on Busted Unsolved, we investigate the murder of Ken Rex McElroy.
It's all probably going to be great. Even Bernie Sanders is in favor of a closed border. He's in favor of a closed border because it may be perfectly plausible and rational argument that if you offer...
What did he do?
He drove into him.
Is that on thing?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're gonna have to go around.
Give me a second. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
And I went to look this up, expecting that there was some fire where there was all this smoke, but I just didn't remember.
Manual recording will now start.
Gotta
look, man.
Ultimate example of
edge of my leg. But then as I walk, it like scoots forward and migrates to the front of my leg, and that's not what I want.
I mean, it's kind of like Merlin's jeans where you get like the outline of the phone. Where you
Whoa!
get the corners.
What the dude? The phone doesn't like migrate over to the front of my leg as I'm walking, and that both looks and feels bad.
Road rage.
crest being 5 means you only have to roll 10 or higher, is what it is. Go ahead and roll your damage.
4.
Whoa, jeez Louise. For every enemy you meet, there's a certain number of hit dice. I roll that many dice, and that's how much...
Idiot. Come on, man. Guy, come on, man. What the Jesus
Glass Animals and Heat Waves are BBC Radio 1. You're going home with Vic and Jordan.
Go on then, let's do it. Open the floodgates. What are you having for your tea? We're asking you that question. You let us know what you're having for your tea. 03700.
Cuidado. Joder.